Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, may I know your
Good day,
name?
sir, madam. I am Berly Uweba, single, a Filipina. I work 14 years in Hong Kong. My employer's name is Lam So Ching Chon as domestic helper. During I stay with them, I am very happy for their family. And later, I decided to take a rest for a couple of months and decided again to look for another employer. God bless you all.
Okay, 10 years with one employee in Hong Kong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many members in the house?
Only one,
Elderly?
elderly,
How old?
85 years old,
Man or woman?
woman.
She's healthy?
Yes, sir.
Can walk?
She cannot walk. She only put to the wheelchair and went to toilet and take bath because the legs is have operation.
What are you doing in the house?
Cleaning, cooking, laundering, ironing, and take care of my madam and go to market.
How can you communicate with her?
I speak with English.
But the elderly can speak English?
Yes, sir. Speak English.
Oh,
She doesn't want to speak to me the Cantonese.
Oh, I see. Okay, how good is your Cantonese?
If I go to market, I can learn the
Okay. Okay, if the employer gives you money to buy some food, okay, what kind of food you will buy?
I buy fish, vegetables, fruit, beef.
Okay, how do you know the fish is fresh?
When I see the ice is fresh and white color.
Okay, in case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom call you and want you to go outside maybe to buy something, what you will do?
I off the gas stove fire.
Okay, when you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
I will say sorry and next time I will be careful.
Okay, when is your holiday in Hong Kong?
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Where you go?
I go to church.
And then after church,
I go home.
go to Central.
No, sir. I go home.
Go home?
Yes,
What, so early?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you want to apply again to Hong Kong, right?
Yes, sir.
You still want to take care of the elderly?
Yes.
But very boring. You need a long patience, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
A pleasant good day, sir, madam. I hope that you choose me as your helper. I know people in Hong Kong are loving, understanding. Your country is very clean and friendly people. I am hardworking, honest, and I can do I can do the household chores and take care the sickly employer and can manage the baby too. I praying that you hire me as your domestic helper. Thank you and God bless your family. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.